What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. Now, we are back with another Shiba Inu update. Obviously, you can see the market is pumping today. Things are, feeling a lot better than just constantly trading sideways, not getting any real price action. So we're going to talk about why is the market pumping today. We're going to talk about the Shiba Inu collaboration with Bugatti GRP. Some exciting things taking place. Also, we're going to take a look at Bone and a little Shibarium talk as well. So stay tuned for this. Now, here's this latest tweet from the official Shiba Inu page. It says, SHIB token, Shiboshis and Bugatti GRP special edition release. We're excited to announce our upcoming special event in which Bugatti Group will host a mint party and a space dedicated to our Shiboshis. So here's the flyer. It says Bugatti, the Shiboshis, a special mint party, Shiboshis and music and surprises and more, hosted by at Bugatti GRP Twitter Spaces session, Saturday, January 14th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So also that's it's a thread of 7 different individual posts. So let's go to this number 2. We can't wait to share with you some exciting moments in this, our first collaborative Shiboshis partnership, set to bring physical items and collectible NFTs to the hands of our most devoted and supporting SHIB token NFT Genesis holders. So I like that. It looks like we got, finally some type of, I'm not sure if it's just a direct reward or just, some recognition. So let's read that again. In this, our first collaborative Shiboshi partnership set to bring physical items and collectible NFTs to the hands of our most devoted and supporting. Okay, so basically, it's not basically saying a reward or a referral, or not a referral, but reflection from it, but you just basically get to rep whatever NFT that you finally have. Now you can get a physical product representing it. So that's pretty dope. Definitely would be interested in a wallet or something like that with the Shiboshi on there, maybe even a book bag. So post 3 is this is a very special limited edition collection. And stay tuned, we're going to take a look at the price. We're going to do some price analysis as well, just to determine what's likely to happen, so you don't want to miss the rest of this video. This is a very special limited edition collection dedicated to our Genesis NFT holders, our beloved Shiboshis. So Shiboshis and Shiba Inu special edition collection. That's dope. There will be 299 limited releases and one very exclusive first edition release. Mint price 0.14 ETH. 95% of all mints will receive a crossbody limited edition luggage bag from Bugatti GRP. So if let me read this one more time. 95% of all mints will receive a crossbody limited edition luggage bag. That is crazy. I thought I was misreading that, but it looks like you get that for free just from minting one of these NFTs at 0.14 ETH. So it's not financial advice, not telling you to do that, just telling you what they're saying. So 5% of all mints will receive limited edition carry-on item from Bugatti GRP. This will be rounded to 15 lucky community members and will be awarded with a Bugatti carry-on item in which they can place their own Shiboshi NFT design. So that's dope right there. Like to see that as well, giving away something free that you can add your own Shiboshi to. And then minting portal will be launched during the Spaces event. Redemption portal will launch a week after mint has been completed and will be announced via our social media channels alongside Bugatti GRP. 55% off Bugatti and Shiboshi's exclusive travel accessories. And then the last one says special invited guests, Zeroni Violetta, Sammy Arriaga, and Ohima Miller. So shout out to those people for rocking with the SHIB army, popping out to this space. It says Shiboshi's Bugatti GRP, Alpha, live singers, guest speakers, and more. This is very, very bullish news to see, we finally get some movement on the side of the Shiboshis, letting us know that they have not forgotten about the Shiboshi holders. So let's take a look real quick at the Shiba Inu price. But first, overall market cap. We finally broke over that $900 billion market cap. Y'all remember what it felt like and what the prices looked like when we were in that 750, 40, 35 area market cap, or billion too, by the way. A lot better right now. So overall market up 5%. Now the reason this is because the CPI numbers were released this morning. Inflation numbers were CPI numbers were basically at around 9% at the all-time high, I believe, in around June. They went to around 7.4ish November, and right now they're down to, I believe the number is 6.5 or 4% right now. So basically people see that raising interest rates is actually working on lowering inflation. We got those numbers back. People are bullish. That tells us with the number coming in that people, the CPI numbers coming in a little lower than people expected it, or better than people expected it, that allow investors to know, okay, we can speculate a little bit more, test the waters out in the market and see what's going on. And I told y'all this was about to happen. So if you've been following the channel, salute to y'all, man. I told y'all things is heating up. So Solana, 3.2% trending. Bitcoin, 7.5% today trending. BNB, 2.39. Shout out to all the BNB warriors too. ETH gang and the BTC gang. So 18,901. Bitcoin is about to test that $19,000 level. That's dope right there. 12% in the last 7 days for Bitcoin. Ethereum at 1428, up 6.4%. BNB at 286, up 2.5%. We got XRP at 37 cents, only up 1.3% on the day, but up 10.4% for the week. And then we got Cardano at 33 cents, up 4.6% on the day and up 23% on the week. So this is the highest percentage we've seen on the week so far when it comes to the top 10 tokens. Doge, 8 cents, up 4.3%, up 11% for the week, sitting at around $10.6 billion market cap. And then we got Matic, 91 cents, up 5.6%. This is why I try to tell y'all, when you see the market red and in pain, don't just panic and feel like it's all over with. Understand that there will be green days as well. Yes, it might not go back to all-time high, the next day or the next week or whatever, but you still get the opportunity. If you buy the dip, you can buy low, sell high, and that's for those short-term investors. Long-term investors, you can just buy low and hold for the long term, but you'll still be able to buy more of that asset because you're waiting to get the dip versus just jumping in at the top. So just stay tapped in, man. I got y'all. We got Litecoin at $85, up 3.3%, up 14% on the week. Solana is at 1651, up 3% on the day and up 21% for the week. Then we got DOT at $5.22, and that is up 4.2% and up 13.3% for the week. And then we got Tron, took back 15th place by market cap at 5 cents, up 2.85% right now and up 5.7% for the week, and at a $5.23 billion market cap. And then we got Shiba Inu right underneath that at number 16th, the 16th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, and at that 9525 levels. Good to see that we inching closer to basically eating that zero. It's basically what we're all waiting for. Volume in the last 24 hours is around 400 million. Price up 6.4% in the last 24 hours, and we up 11.4% in the last week, y'all. So things absolutely heating up. Let's take a closer look under the hood real quick, see some of our favorite indicators apply to this and see what it tells us. Let's see. So now we got the Bollinger Bands out. Let me adjust my chart so y'all can see this. Y'all was on me on the last one. Okay, so just using these two here, we can see the price is trading outside of the upper Bollinger Band. We start to see in this candle, people did start to sell back into this candle. It hasn't pulled back too low where it wants to just completely drop off of this. So it could continue off of this momentum. But also another thing we want to use for confirmation is our RSI, Relative Strength Index, which this tells us if the asset is overbought or oversold. In this case, we could see that the asset is way closer to being overbought than it is oversold, because 70 and above on the RSI means that the asset is overbought. 35 and below means the asset is oversold. So basically people aren't valuing it for what it should be worth. So right now price may be a little expensive on SHIB. I just got to keep it real with y'all if you're trying to jump in right now to try to make a quick trade for the short term. But if you're a long-term investor and you're dollar cost averaging, you can do whatever works best for you. But we got volume up 57.8% in the last 24 hours, sitting at that 5.22 billion market cap. That's all we got for this video, man. Shiba will be dropping soon. I think the price of Bone is going to start to run, especially if we get that mystery announcement. Bone up 2.4% right now, sitting at $1.19. Not financial advice, but you know, check you out some Bone. Okay, y'all, appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.